Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video, one of my 10th class student will explain the chapter on polynomials.
My name is Shabnam. I am studying 10th standard at Apex Tuition. Today we are going to learn about polynomials. Polynomials are algebraic expressions that may consist of exponents, compounds, constants that are added, subtracted and multiplied. In polynomials there are three types: monomials, binomials and trinomials. In monomials there are only one compound. In binomials there are two compounds, and in trinomials there are three compounds. And in this lesson we are going to learn about general formula. The general formula is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. In first exercise we are going to learn about number of zeros. In first figure, the line which intersects at x-axis, that is known as number of zeros. Let me see. In first figure, the line is intersecting at only one point. Then we can call it as here number of zeros are only 1. Then here next figure, the line is intersecting at two axes of x-axis. Then we can call it as a number of zeros are 2 here. At third figure, the line intersecting the x-axis is 1, 2, 3. Here the number of zeros are 3. Next, at fourth figure, the line is intersecting only 1. The line which intersect at x-axis, that is known as 0. Here x-axis is only 1. Then the number of zeros is 1. Let us move to exercise number 2. In this exercise, we are going to learn about sum of zeros and product of zeros and relationship between zeros and coefficients. Then let us move to question number first. Here we have to multiply this number and this number to get this number. First, nothing is there means we have to consider number 1. We have to multiply this. 1 into 8. It becomes minus 8. We have to factorize this. We will know in 4 table we will get 8. 4 2s are 8. We have to multiply 4 2s are 8, we will get minus 8. But we have to add means we have to get minus 2. Then we will take minus 4 plus 2. 4 2s are 8. When bigger number sign is minus, then we will get the minus 2. Let us apply this first. 1x as it is. Here we have taken minus 4. Then we have to write minus 4. X as it is plus 2x as it is. And here minus 8. We have to make the pairs, two pairs of numbers. In first pair, what is the common? We have to take that number out or expression out. Here the common is x. We will take x as it is. Here x square is there. In this in this number I have taken x as it is, and remaining what is there, 4 is there, I will write as it is. Here what is this bracket only? Now we have to write same here also. Let's write x minus 4. Then we have to look at this number which is common. X is not common here. We can take 2 is common. 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2x as it is. Plus into minus minus. 2 fours are 8. Where the 2 is correct number. We have to look at now signs. Sign. Here x minus into minus plus. Then we have to take plus 2 here. Then we will write this bracket one side and remaining numbers in one bracket. X minus 4. Here x plus 2 is equals to 0. This 0 belongs to this number also and this number also. Let us write x minus 4 is equals to 0. Here x plus 2 is equals to 0. Here x as it is. We have to, now I am sending minus 4 to the right hand side. Then when we send the number from left hand side to right hand side, the numbers will, the symbols will change. Here minus 4 is there, then it will become plus 4. Here we will get the x value, x is plus 4. Now let us move to this, x as it is. Now we are shifting the plus 2 from left hand side to right hand side, then it will become minus 2. Then we will get the answer x is equals to minus 2. Now we will get two zeros. This is known as alpha and this is known as beta. As per question, we have written a value is 1, b value is minus 2 and c value is minus 8. We have to verify the sum of zeros is known as 4. Number 1 is 4 and we have taken here plus because we are finding the sum of zeros. That's why we have taken the plus sign here, and beta is minus 2. That's why we have taken minus 2. First we have to solve this. Plus here 4 plus 2 Plus into minus is known as minus. 4 minus 2 is 2 only. Bigger number sign we have plus. That's why we will write as it is. This is sum of zeros. Now we have to find by formula method. The formula of sum of zeros are alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Here we have to write according to the formula. Here first minus as it is the formula minus, then beta value is minus 2 by a. A value we have 1. We will write 1 here. Then we have to multiply. Bracket is known as multiplication symbol. Minus into minus plus 4. Minus into minus plus 2 divided by 1. Here we are not considered 1. We will write 2 as it is. This is the sum of zeros. Now we have to find the product of zeros. Now let us move to product of zeros. Here product of zeros we have to multiply the multiplication symbol. Plus into minus, minus 4 2s are 8. Here, let us solve by formula method. The formula is alpha into beta is equals to c by a. Now we have the value c is minus 8 and 1. The value of a is only 1. Minus 8 by 1 we can write as a minus 8. We will get this one answer and this one answer same only. The product of zeros is minus 8. Let us move to the second question. Here the way a value is 4, b value is minus 4 and c value is 1. We have c value is 1. Now we have to do the tree method. We will multiply a and c, we will get the 4. When we multiply a and c, we have to get the answer b. Here a and c, here 4 and here 1. 4 into 1 is known as 4. Here number b is minus 4. Now we have to choose two numbers that we have to multiply. We will get the 4. At plus or minus we have to get the minus 4. Now we can take 2 into 2. Here 2 and here 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 here plus and we will not get the minus sign. Then we will change the signs. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. Minus into minus 4. 2 2s are 2 plus 2 4. Here common symbol is known as minus. We have taken the minus 2 and minus 2. Now we have to write this 4s square. Instead of minus 4 we have to write minus 2s. Here minus 2s plus 1 is equals to 0. We have to make two pairs here and this one and this one. In this pair which is common we have to look. Here 2 is common and s is common. In 2 table 4 will go at 2 only. S as it is minus 2s into 2s is 1 only. 2s 1s are 2s 1s are 2s. Here keep minus symbol as it is. Here nothing is common mean we have to take 1 here. Then 2s as it is plus here plus into minus 1 as it is equals to 0. If these two brackets are same means then our answer is correct. Now these two brackets we have to write only one time. 2s minus 1 and remaining these numbers we have to write in one bracket. 2s minus 1 is equals to 0. Now this 0 belongs to this bracket also and this bracket also. 2s minus 1 is equals to 0 and then 2s minus 1 is equals to 0. Now this 2s we have to write as it is. This if we shift minus 1 from LHS to RHS means the minus will become plus. Then this minus 1 become plus 1. Here s is equals to 1. Here multiplication symbol is there. Then when multiplication goes from left hand side to right hand side, it will become division. Now the s value is 1 by 2. Then look at here 2s as it is. Here also minus 1 is going from left hand side to right hand side. The symbol will change. Minus 1 become plus 1. S we have to keep s as it is. Here 1. Multiplication is there, then it will become division. Here another and s value is 1 by 2. Let us move to the verification. Now we have to find the sum of zeros. The sum of zeros is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Here denominators are same. We will write as it is. 1 plus 1 is 2. Here 2 ones are. We will get the answer 1. Now we have to solve by formula method. Here minus b by a. B value is minus 4. First we have to write minus as it is, then bracket b value is minus 4 by a value is 4. 4 as it is, minus into minus plus 4 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. We will get the answer. Now we have to find the product of zeros. Now 1 ones are 1 and 2 into 2 is 4. 1 by 4. Here now we have to find the product of zeros by applying the formula method. The formula is alpha into beta is equals to c by a. Then we are the value of c is 1 and the value of a is 4. Now we will get the answer same 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. The answer is correct, hence proved. The second main is opposite to first main. In first main they have provided the equation. We have to convert that equation into zeros. But in second main they have provided the zeros. To that zeros we have to make an equation. Now this 4 is known as alpha plus beta and 1 is alpha into beta. This is formula. By applying this formula we have to make the equation. Now x square as it is, we have to write the x square as it is minus alpha plus beta. This is alpha plus beta 4 as it is, x plus alpha beta is known as 1 is equals to 0. This is equation. It is very simple to find the equation. Let us move the second question. The second question is 0 comma root 5. Now we have to put this value in that formula. Let me write the formula here only. X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equals to 0. Here 0 is alpha plus beta and root 5 is alpha beta. X square as it is minus alpha plus beta is 0. X plus alpha beta is root 5 is equals to 0. Now x square as it is, plus into minus minus, where anything with we multiply or add we will get the answer. 0 as it is, x plus root 5. Now we have to write x square as it is. We have when we are multiply anything with 0, the answer we will get the 0 only. Then 0 as it is minus 0, x plus root 5 is equals to 0. This is our answer. We can write this as x square plus root 5 because there is no value for 0. That's why we have written in this form. This is our answer. Thanks for watching. Hope you understood my concept. Thank you.